I'm just going to making for my own with the cream cheese frosting. So what I have here in a large bowl, I put a room temperature 8-ounce packages of Philadelphia original cream cheese. And I also put 1 stick of unsalted butter that I brought to room temperature. We're going to cream this both until it's nice and smooth. I like to put it in 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Let's keep going. Always have to make sure to scraping the sides of the bowl. So I'm going to put a confectioner's sugar. I'm going to do for 1 cup at a time and see how that goes. That's 1. The 2nd cup. I think we're almost there. This might be perfect one. Can you see that? How smooth of the frosting with the cream cheese? It's gonna be turns nice and delicate. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. If you want to write something, what you think about that. You have to make sure to view all videos before sharing. And that's how you make for the cream cheese frosting. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna put it and frost it on the cake. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.